Hello. Yes. We welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences. Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Okay, today we are looking at this question. It says that consider the molecular formula this. Okay. And then the question says that write all the possible structure isomers from the molecular formula. So there we are. What are the possible structure formula from this? Okay, let us see. The first one is the straight chain. There are 5. Okay. Yeah, this one, if you happen to display all the bonds, making sure that every carbon atom exercises a covalence of 4, this is what we get. And suppose we call this one A. Yes. Okay, then what is the next alternative? Next alternative is C, 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 C with a branch. You can put a branch up. Okay, let's indicate all the bonds. Yes, we can call this one B. Let us, we say this one is A. We call this one B. Okay, let's try another one. Another one is C, C, C with a branch up, another branch below, and then we indicate all the bonds, and we can call that one C. Okay, if you want the name, then we can call this one pentane, normal pentane. This one is methyl butane. Remember, we can put 2 unknown. Like I said, you can ignore the position because there is only one possible position. Then we can also have this one as dimethyl propane. Yeah, we are ignoring the numbers for the same reason. There is no any other possible position. Like I said before, if there is no any other possible position, you can ignore the numbers. Yeah, so comes this question. It says, arrange the above structure isomers in order of increasing boiling point and explain your answer. When they say increasing, it means that you start from the lowest to the highest. The question is, which one is having the lowest boiling point? Answer is C. What is C? Dimethyl propane. That one is followed by B, which is methyl butane. Then followed by A, which is pentane. Okay, that is the order. Then after getting the order, how do we explain the order? What is the reason behind this arrangement. This is what you have to know, that branching reduces the surface area of the molecule, and so it reduces the area of contact with the intermolecular forces. So in the process, it reduces the number of intermolecular forces between the molecules. And the higher the branching, the lower is the surface area. So there we are. Branching reduces the surface area of the molecule, and so reduces the number of intermolecular forces or London forces between the molecules. So when you look at the branching, C is the one which is highly branched compared to B, and A is not branched. So A has the biggest surface area, followed by B, and C has the least surface area. So lastly comes this question, and it says that arrange the above structure isomers in order of increasing vapor pressure. Okay. Increasing means that you start from the lowest to the highest. So which of these compounds has the lowest vapor pressure? The first one is A. A has the lowest, which is pentane. I think we know the reason. The reason is that A is a straight chain, it's not branched, so it has a bigger surface area, which makes it to have bigger number of intermolecular forces. So A is followed by B. And what is B? Methyl butane. Yeah, B is branched, but not as branched as C. So in other words, C has the smallest surface area, the smallest number of intermolecular forces, and so the highest vapor pressure. And what is C? Dimethyl propane. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. Yeah, we would urge you to subscribe, to share, to like, to comment. Yeah, this channel is simply the best. Stick with us. You will not regret. Bye-bye.